What's going on, everyone? So I want to chat for just a minute about dressing casual. But this time, when I mean casual, like running to Home Depot casual, or just going over to the grocery store, or just running errands, or even kicking around the house. A lot of people ask me like how I dress on a normal day-to-day basis when I'm not out in public. And to be honest, since I work from home and because I spend a lot of my time here, I'm usually wearing pajamas or some type of athleisure. The thing is though, dressing casual like this can sometimes be a little bit harder, right? Because you don't want to come off looking too sloppy, like you just rolled out of bed or something, or just looking like you couldn't be bothered. Especially when you're just out running some just normal kick around everyday errands. So today, I want to go over a couple ideas that you can try that might hopefully help your casual style game. Okay, starting at the ground and working our way up, let's talk about shoes first. So if I'm just making a Home Depot run, or if I'm just kind of running a couple errands around town, I'm wearing casual sneakers pretty much 100% of the time. I mean, sneakers are casual, they're comfortable, and I'm not going to be too worried about scuff marks, and they just work with casual clothing. So I got these Vesties a couple weeks ago, and I've been wearing these things a ton. They're super comfortable, they go with pretty much all of my casual items, they look cool, and they're waterproof. Another thing about dressing casual, especially this time of year, is dressing for the weather. I mean, is it going to rain today when you're out running around? Do you have to wear boots because the ground and the grass is always wet? But I can't wear boots because I'm wearing casual joggers. So if I go with boots, that means I have to change up everything. Now, that's not necessarily a bad thing, but it can get complicated sometimes. And that's what's so great about Vessi. Now, Vessi is sponsoring today's video, and I gotta say, I am pretty impressed with these shoes. These shoes are made with Dymatex, which is this really cool dual climate knit material that keeps you cool when it's hot and also warm in colder weather. And what continues to blow my mind is these shoes don't look or feel like they should be waterproof. Now, not water resistant, waterproof. Let me show you this. Okay, yes, you are now currently staring into my kitchen sink because I want to show you just how waterproof these shoes are by using this blue shop towel. And the reason why I'm using this shop towel is because if there's any trace of moisture, obviously it's going to turn colors, you're going to be able to tell. So I'm going to load up this shoe and I'm going to run water on it. So I'm going to jam in these blue shop towels all the way down to the toe. Right, they're right here. You can see inside, they're right here. So I'm just going to pour water all over this thing. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Tell me when to stop. I can keep going all day long. Literally, I can go all day long. Over here, up here, all the way around this side, on the edges. Is that good? What do you think? All right, here we go. Moment of truth. I'm going to pull this out right in front of your eyes. There is no moisture on this whatsoever, you guys. It's perfectly dry. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Man, I'm telling you, the more I wear these things, the more I'm becoming a fan. Now, there's going to be a link down below in the description, and you should definitely go check out the other styles because I think the lace-up versions look very nice. Now, this year, Vesties are the perfect gift under the tree and on your feet, so get the style and size you want now before they sell out. Check out their holiday sale at vessi.com/fashion, and even if you miss the sale, you can still use code FASHION to get 15% off your entire order. Thank you, Vessi, for supporting my channel and sponsoring today's video. All right, jumping back into some more style ideas. So I mentioned athleisure and joggers a little bit ago, and my go-to casual pants are these athleisure pants with the drawstring. So I've got a pair in light gray and this pair in navy blue. And if I'm just kicking around the house or even making a quick blast over to the grocery store, I'm generally wearing something like this. Athleisure has come a very long way in a very short amount of time, and I've made a bunch of videos on that particular topic. But these are just so much better than like the old school, traditional, sloppy, baggy cotton sweatpants that we all used to wear back in the day. Something like this is going to be made of technical fabric with a ton of stretch, so these are going to be incredibly comfortable to wear for like long periods of time. So think about something like this and how perfect it would be for those long hours on the airplane or those long road trips in the car. Okay, moving upwards now, we have t-shirts and polo shirts. Now for me personally, and I mentioned this before in other videos, but I'm not really a t-shirt guy. I mean, I have t-shirts and I might wear them around the house and stuff, but I just don't think I look very good in t-shirts, so I just don't wear them by themselves out in public. I would much rather wear something with a collar like a polo shirt. However, with that said, if I'm wearing like a sweatshirt, a hoodie, or some type of Q-zip pullover, chances are I'm going to be wearing a t-shirt underneath. I mean, the options for casual top layers are almost endless. And like I just mentioned, sweatshirts, hoodies, flannel overshirts, quarter zip pullovers, all of these are going to be great options for when you want to be ultra casual because, of course, these are all incredibly comfortable. Just make sure they're not super baggy and oversized because that's going to make you look a little bit sloppy. All right, now as I'm filming this video, it's early December and of course it's getting cold. So let's run through a few top layers to finish everything off. For starters, I've been wearing a lot of overshirts recently and I'm really loving flannel. You can pick one up with a traditional plaid or tartan pattern or get one in a solid color. Next, a puffer vest is a nice option, especially if you're wearing like a sweatshirt or a hoodie underneath. And because I mentioned a puffer vest, a lightweight puffer jacket is going to be another nice option, especially through this winter season. All right, but one more thing. I want you to do me a favor and leave me a comment down below with what you normally go with if you're out just casually running errands, because I would love to hear from you guys on this topic. And with that, my friends, as always, thank you so much for watching. Live well, and I'll see you in the next one.